Hi friends, welcome to Srija Tech Talks. Today we are going to see how to reverse a string in Java. So there are different logics that we can implement for reversing a string. So let's see some of the logics which are best to be remembered here. So we are going to take a scanner class for reading input. So it is going to take system.in as a parameter. So I am going to take a name variable which is going to read input string, next line for string, next int for integer. Then so I'm going to take a final variable as reversed str initialized with empty string. So here I'm going to implement using caret. For this I'm going to take for loop int I equals 0, I less than name dot length I plus plus. So here what I'm going to do, I am just going to append the variable with each character at the string starting from beginning, caret I plus reverse str. So let's see what it is going to return for each addition of new string. So I'm going to, before appending what is the string, and after appending what is the string. Let's see. After, so this is going to be the logic here. So what happened for I equals to 0, then I less than length of the string, then it's going to be empty string, then this is appended with the index at 0, which is first index of the given string appended. Again this is printed after appending. Then when I equals to 1, I less than length I plus plus, I less than 1 I plus plus, then I less than length of a given string, then I equals to 1, this is carrying index 0, and this is going to be index 1. So index 1 is prefixed with the index 0. It's like 0 1 2 3, it's like a reducing till, it's like reducing the length and appending as prefix. So this is going to string a final string with the reversed character. So let's see the output here. So I am giving my name here. So this is what the output is. Before it's an empty string, after appending index 0 it is s, then index 1, before it is appending s, after appending index at 1 this, and then before after index, after appending index 1, this is e. So like this, it's like a reversing. And this is about caret function in Java. And next let's see another logic. It works with the for each. So we are going to take some string s, and what we are going to do, we are going to take name dot split. Split returns, we need to understand what split returns firstly. Here this name dot split is going to return string type an array, string type an array. So for each basically used for arrays. So of string type I'm going to take s variable, which is going to take individual characters here. So if I take my name here, this is going to return like this, s comma r comma r comma e, it's going to be e, it's going to be here. So this is how it is going to return. So this is how it's going to return and accessing the individual character from beginning to the ending. The same thing I am doing here. String reverse str equals to an empty string initially, which is initially with an empty string. Then I am going to reverse this. So this is, I am going to take s as prefix. There we are using indexing process. Here also indexing. The only different is that it's taking a split here in order to, for accessing the individual characters indexing process. There we are using for loop for traversing using caret method in Java. So we are finally, the string would be this. Let's see the output here. It's a string 2. So I'm going to pass my name. So this is the output. Then we have some inbuilt functions. So like string buffer and string builders. These are mutable in nature, unlike string. String is a immutable which cannot be changed further, whereas the string buffer and string builder, unlike string, it's changeable, which is mutable. So we are going to see some of the methods of the string builder and string buffer for reversing a string. So same thing, I am going to use scanner for reading input, system.in as a parameter, then string builder here equals to new string builder. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use string builder dot append. So this should be appended with the string name. We need to read a name using scanner class. This we missed here. So we need to pass the name variable, which is like initially SBL is an empty string. So this is going to be appended with name variable. Then we can call reverse on this. So what happened, this SBL is going to be changed. So this is the process using string builder. So I'm going to pass this. So this is my output. And next, this is a string builder, and we are going to use string buffer, scanner class for reading input, scanner system.in. Then again the name is going to carry this input value. Then again we are going to use string buffer. String buffer is a class. Then sb equals to, which is object. New is allocating a memory for string buffer. The name of the memory is sb. So string buffer. Here we need to remember, we need to pass this value here, the string variable. Then sb dot, just we call this method reverse, which is a void method. Then print sb. That's it. So basically in interviews we won't be asked using this inbuilt function. We have to write the logic. So this is just am I explaining just for awareness, since if they don't mention the inbuilt to be used or not, then we can use this. Thanks friend, I hope this is useful. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please do comment. Thank you.